Right Honourable Speaker and colleagues, I rise to second the motion to pay tribute to our colleague, the Honourable Mohammed Ssegirinya. And perhaps before I do that, I also wish to express my disappointment. The Deputy Prime Minister has just walked in. Before that, there was no one on the front bench. Right Honourable Speaker, yesterday, I reached out to you intending to move this motion, given that Honourable Ssegirinya was one of us. The guidance I got was practice normally is the Prime Minister moves the motion and the LOP seconds, something that I was very comfortable with. In fact, I was glad that the motion would be moved by somebody from the government side. It was bothersome that this morning there was no one from government to move the motion. That's very disappointing. I want to appreciate colleagues from the NRM who are here. Honourable Ssegirinya was an opposition member, but you're here, as we normally do. We have lost several MPs in this 11th Parliament. May God help us, by the way. May God help us. But we are normally united in these times. Majority of those who have died belong to the opposition, I mean the NRM, but we are always here, even as the opposition, in solidarity of colleagues. We quarrel and argue about so many things because we don't agree politically and so on. But then we are colleagues. And in death, that's why we normally are united. So, Madam Deputy Prime Minister, please convey my utmost disappointment in the Prime Minister and your colleagues. Right Honourable Speaker,
at least appreciate the Speaker was here early.
The Speaker is neutral and doesn't debate. That's why I've not involved the Speaker in my disappointment. I wanted it to settle where it should.
Honourable Prime Minister, that's a very serious message. And I really want you to relay that message. Because when we're in this house, we are one. Please.